Urban witchcraft, magic in the city. Have you ever wondered how to practice witchcraft in a city setting, where space is tight and nature might feel far away? Welcome to today's quick lecture on urban witchcraft. You don't need to live in the countryside to connect with your magic. Let's explore how you can practice in apartments, small spaces, and even busy city environments. Apartment witchcraft essentials. First, let's talk about apartment witchcraft. Living in an apartment or small space doesn't mean you have to limit your magic. Here are a few simple ways to create sacred energy in your urban home. Portable altars. Use a small shelf, drawer, or even a decorative box as an altar. You can keep it discreet and portable while still honoring your magical practice. Scent magic. In smaller spaces, scents like incense, essential oils, or even a simmer pot with herbs and spices can transform your apartment's energy. Windows as magical portals. If you're missing nature, place crystals, plants, or moon water by the window to charge them. The sunlight and moonlight are powerful even in the city. Urban foraging and connecting with nature. Now, let's talk about how to connect with nature in a city. While parks and green spaces might be harder to access, you can still forage and incorporate natural elements into your practice. Parks and gardens. Urban parks are great places for foraging. Look for fallen leaves, acorns, or even herbs like dandelions, which are often found growing wild. City plants. You might be surprised how much grows in urban settings. Collect small twigs, stones, or flowers on your walks to use in your spells or rituals. Nature from home. You can also bring nature to your apartment by growing herbs in pots, keeping small houseplants, or even working with natural items like seashells and sand from a local beach. Discreet magic and sacred space in small areas. In urban settings, you might need to keep your magical practice more discreet. Here's how you can maintain sacred space without drawing too much attention. Minimalist altars. Set up a simple altar with a candle, a small crystal, or an inspiring image. You don't need much to create a powerful focus for your magic. Jar and spell bags. Use jar spells or small spell bags that can easily be tucked away or carried with you. They're compact, portable, and still hold a lot of magical energy. Everyday objects as tools. Even everyday objects can be magical. A favorite mug can serve as your chalice, a spoon as a wand. With intention, anything can become a tool of magic. Remember, urban witchcraft is about adapting to your environment and finding magic in the everyday. Whether you're in a high-rise or a tiny apartment, your magic is just as powerful. Don't let city living limit your practice. Embrace it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your magic flowing, no matter where you live.